there. I don't know unless Mr. Potts can get him out of it.
That's why I'm here.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there will be no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good afternoon, Your Honor. All right, good afternoon, and City of Detroit versus Terrence Lamar Golston, case number SP 12131339, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Donna Coleman Potts, P78607. On behalf of Mr. Golston, who appears via Zoom. Mr. Golston, please state your name for the record, sir.
Terrence Lamar Golston.
All right, Mr. Golston, we had a lot of conversation off the record. You indicated that you wanted to resolve this by pleading to the offer of improper plates. I told you I'd fine you $240. I told you I'd dismiss the case immediately upon payment of that $240. And with stipulation of probable cause, I would dismiss the other two matters. I didn't tell you though, and I want everybody else to know that you have an absolute right to a trial if you want to contest the matter. But my understanding, you want to take this deal, sir?
No, sir. I just want to get it paid and get it out the way.
That's taking the deal. So you don't want to go to, you don't want to go to trial and fight it.
No, sir.
All right, sir. Can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Yes, sir.
No, has anybody offered you anything other than what I said?
No, sir.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna draw your attention back to June the 19th, 2021 at around 3:20 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Davison and Conant Street, sir. You have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer right now? I mean, at that time?
Yes.
And at that time, were you operating a 2008 Jeep Cherokee Red?
Yes.
And did that officer, and that Jeep Cherokee Red is now in the pound, you said, huh?
No, I took it to the junkyard and got rid of it, sir.
That's what I said, it's in the pound. All right. Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle on that day?
No, it was just a scrap. It was a vehicle that was given to me, and I was transporting it to my house on the west side just to try to work on it, and it just didn't work out for me. So I took it to the junkyard.
Mr. Gold,
Plates.
the judge asked a simple question: were there valid plates on the car?
No.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of, guilty as charged of improper plates. I told you I'd dismiss immediately upon payment of the $240 fine that I'm gonna assess, or that I have assessed now. And with the stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, I'll dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Golston, I told you, you said you had a little situation with moving and things like that going on. I told you I'd give you 60 days to pay it. March the 21st, 2022, at 8:25 is your review date. If you haven't paid by then, sir, then you don't have to show back up. However, if it's not paid, I need to see you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I would pay that at any div down kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I would come down to the court and pay it.
Yes, sir.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You do the same. Thank you.
All right. Let's call Mr. Willie Troy LeGrone. Has he been able to unmute himself? Yes, he has. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Willie Troy LeGrone. Case numbers SP 1216388, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, on the Coleman Potts, on behalf of Mr. LeGrone, who appears via Zoom. Mr. LeGrone, please state your name for the record, sir.
Willie Troy LeGrone.
Are you in relation to Mitchell LeGrone?
He's my brother.
And you grew up on the north end?
Yes, sir.
All right, so Mitch LeGrone knows me as well.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, let's, what about your driver's license, sir? Do you have a valid license?
Yes, sir.
Run his license, please. What about this insurance and this registration?
The vehicle the vehicle don't have insurance on it right now, but it does have a registration and valid plate on it.
At the time, it didn't have that, though, are you saying?
At the time, it did not have it on. I was waiting on my court date to go get it done when the officer pulled me over. Actually, I was waiting on my Secretary of State date.
Are you older than Mitch or younger than Mitch? You older?
I'm the owner of the vehicle, but it's my nephew's
I
name.
said, are you older than Mitchell LeGrone or are you younger than Mitch?
I'm the youngest.
You're the youngest.
Yes.
You take care of your business. And
Yes,
you're
sir.
saying about the registration. Well, listen, you say you don't have any insurance, $90 for this no valid registration, and I'll dismiss the other 2. You got an absolute right to a trial, or you can pay the $90 and get it over with.
I would like to pay the $90 and get it over with.
All right. For the purposes of this, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, Mr. Potts?
No stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, and I'm gonna accept that stipulation, and I'm gonna find you responsible for the no valid registration certificates, $90 fine, and then I'll just, with stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other 2 counts.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, and we'll dismiss those other 2. When can you pay?
I can pay it next week.
Next week.
Next week.
February 3rd, have it paid by February 3rd. I'm gonna set this for review, 8:25 a.m. If it's not paid by February 3rd, I need to see you, Mr. LeGrone. If it's paid, I will, you don't have to show back up, we'll close it out. That's Mitchell LeGrone's brother.
I've heard the name.
All right. Good to see you, and you're not still on the north end, are you?
I occasionally still go by there. I work with Hubble off and on at the shop with Hubble.
All right, tell Hub I said what's up.
I sure will.
All right, have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
All right. This is Tamara Griffin.
This is Tamara Griffin.
Tamara Griffin. This isn't Tamara
Yes.
Griffin, it's Tamara Griffin, isn't it?
Yes, thank you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Okay. I'm trying to get my video started too.
Yeah,
I hear you.
We need to see you.
I know I'm trying. Me and my computer. See, Laura, if you can get this on. 1 second, I got somebody to help me.
This is the city of Detroit versus Tamara Louise Griffin, case number SP 121-66541 and SP 121-66542. Appearances for the record, please.
For the record, Coleman Potts on behalf of Ms. Griffin, who appears via Zoom. Ms. Griffin, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Tamara Louise Griffin.
All right,
This-
what's
I
going
just-
on?
I just got this computer
All right,
fixed, and it appears the camera is not working.
That's what they all say, Ms. Griffin.
Yeah.
they won't.
It's not.
I
Yeah,
will say that if you
My
don't have
computer's
the
not-
camera icon, I don't think you ever allowed the, when you signed on, I don't think you ever allowed Zoom to use your camera. That's what I think is
Yeah, that's
happening.
what's saying. I just set this up. I just got my internet connection and everything, so I'm not really familiar with this computer. I haven't done any video calls or anything on it.
Were you just telling your age, ma'am?
Yes.
What
That's
is
all
up?
I'm gonna say about that.
What is this? Well, you have an unregistered, untitled, and a no proof of insurance. And then if you don't have a video, do you have insurance and registration?
I was taking this vehicle to get an inspection
So
on
let's-
it. I was,
let's- Stop. I asked you, do you have insurance and registration?
no, this vehicle has been sold.
All right, what are we gonna do?
Sure.
Only two.
No option. I mean, is it no?
It's improper plates, $240.
Do she have a?
Do you have a vehicle with some insurance on it?
I don't I have a vehicle, but it's for sale also. It's not being driven. It doesn't have insurance on it. It's parked in the garage.
You're a
I'm
used
not-
car salesman now, huh? Flipping
I'm
cars.
trying to make some money, any way I can. So I had an opportunity to buy a vehicle. Pardon me?
Do you work?
Right now I'm buying and selling. I was laid off from my job. My company moved overseas, and I haven't been able to find anything as a buyer in the automotive industry since 3 companies that I work for have moved their companies overseas. So now I'm buying and selling, doing resale, basically.
This is your lucky day. Don't get caught again with no registration and insurance, because you're not gonna get this again. I'm gonna dismiss. That's an early Christmas present for you.
I appreciate that. Yeah, I have filed for disability. I have some health issues too, but we gotta supplement our incomes any way we can.
Yeah, I agree with you. So I'm supplementing your income there too.
Okay,
By giving you a break on those tickets.
I do appreciate that, sir.
Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Okay.
Hello?
Amari?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Lydell?
No, this is Andrew Lindsay.
Okay, Andrew Lindsay, I got you.
Yep.
Where's, Lydell?
Idale.
Who is ride,
I'm Andrew.
who is ride 3?
Pardon me?
Okay.
Isn't that James Lett?
Wanda Lee
Speaking.
Lee
I'm
Park.
James Lett.
I've heard that name before, Lee Park.
Park.
The only, I don't know if there's too many Lee Parks in this city.
No, not really. We all family.
We all family, I kinda knew that. Lee Park, I've heard that name. So I have, a person that's Lindsay, Andrew Lindsay, on the phone.
Yes, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Andrew Lindsay, case number SP 121-49071. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Your Honor,
Andrew
Coleman
Lindsay.
Potts on behalf of Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, please state your name for the record, sir.
Andrew Lindsay.
All right, Mr. Lindsay, I'm going to dismiss the matter. You paid the other related civil infraction that went along
Correct.
with the case. All right?
Okay.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
You batting 1,000 a day, Mr. Potts. All right, who's on that phone? 458-6558. Who's on the phone there? Is that Lee Park?
Pardon me?
All right, Lee Park. Let's call Lee Park then. Oh, Lee Park. This is the city of Detroit versus Wanda Latrice Lee Park, case number SP 121-5121, count 1, 2, 3, SP 121-51241, SP 124-135, correct that, SP 124-132, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 124-1337 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Coleman Potts, on behalf of Ms. Lee Park. Ms. Lee Park, please say your name for the record, ma'am.
Wanda Lee Park.
I confirm.
No, I got it.
So let's get an updated offer for Ms. Lee Park because she keeps getting tickets. She's an October baby, and I am as well. We're gonna get an offer from I'll get an updated offer. I got 1, 2.
Excuse me.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope.
Oh,
What's your story, Mrs. Lee Park? Are you working?
No, I'm not working. I had just bought that car when I
I
got
don't
the
want to hear about the car. I want to hear about your financial situation. I'm gonna wait until the city attorney gets in here, because I don't want you to tell on yourself before you get it off. So we're gonna wait on him to get you an updated offer. Mr. James Lett?
Speaking. How you doing, Your Honor?
Very well. How about yourself?
Pretty good.
Let's see what Mr. Lett has going on. Uh-oh. Nope. This is the city of Detroit versus James Lewis Lett. Case number U5175711 and U600555021. Appearance for the record, please.
I had alcohol-related
I
violation.
only see one.
Seems like you
Mr.
keep getting
Lett, please state your name for the record, sir.
Daniel Guardado. Jesus Daniel
Guardado Garcia.
Hold on a second, hold on. Are you, Garcia? Hold on, Mr. Garcia.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Lett,
Speaking.
you live down there, huh?
I live downtown on Washington Boulevard.
So do you see his tickets? First of all, he entered into an agreement in 2019 for this alcohol-related violation, and he said he was gonna pay, and it doesn't look like he paid a dime. Then he follows that up with another alcohol-related violation. So it appears, according to what the, basically the police are saying, is that instead of Mr. Lett sitting back in his home in the comfort of his own home, drinking his beer or his Smirnoff, he wants to come outside and people watch and drink it on the sidewalk. So, I don't know.
Well, Your Honor, you know, I can't lie
anything.
about that, you know.
Listen, I wasn't asking for you to say anything. I was just letting your attorney know what the tickets say.
Oh, okay.
So do you want to go to trial with this, or what do you want to do, Mr. Potts?
So is this, I'm confused, Your Honor. He has a matter that he pled on that he owes money, and then this is a new matter?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I'll speak to him in the breakout room.
And he's got a littering ticket that he owes money on too.
Is there an offer on the file, Your Honor?
There is no offer on the file. No, there's no offer on the file. But what I don't have faith in, even if there was an offer on the file, and I don't have faith that Mr. Lett is gonna even pay anything.
I can speak to him in the breakout room.
This is a Lapsley on the line. I don't know if that's another one of your relatives. Mr. Potts.
I don't believe so.
You got the good deal for the other Mr. Lapsley today, and then he told everybody. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout. Right. He told everybody. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Lett. He's in there waiting. We're waiting on Mr. Leapart's offer. Mr. Lapsley is not on the docket. Yes, he is. Trey Lapsley? He's a
Lake Lapsley.
Lake Lapsley? This is like Leapart. Y'all must always be related. You're not Trey Lapsley?
No, I'm the one that got stopped and they wrote my brother's name down. I don't know why.
Oh, you gotta tell your brother to get here then.
He right here.
You need to put some clothes on.
Thanks.
So that's not Trey.
No, you know, he's not Trey, he's Lake. Yeah, Lake.
Lake got some lot of stuff.
Lake does too?
He got some stuff that already got went into Trump, like he got 4 and 7.
We'll talk.
It's in Trump, right?
You got tickets too, Lake.
I do.
So where's your brother?
He coming down the stairs right now.
Oh, okay, so that's what they say.
All right, what's going on with Mr. Garcia?
I got a call saying he thought he had changed his court date. If somebody, I said he didn't talk to me about
Hi,
it.
good afternoon. I'm Mr. Garcia's interpreter, so I'll be helping out if that's okay with you. I'm his coworker.
No, that's not okay with me.
That's
But,
not okay. Okay.
no, and not unless you're a court,
No, I would like to explain the situation if I could have. If I could have permission, I'm sorry to interrupt. I would like to explain the situation a bit.
no, no. Are you a lawyer?
No, his lawyer gave him the wrong court date, and so he didn't show up. That's what I wanted to
Who's
explain.
his lawyer?
I'm not sure. ¿Cómo se llama el abogado?
No, Gila, creo. No me acuerdo.
Tell him to come back on 26th in the morning.
26th? Okay, thank you.
January 26th, he's gonna be, well, ask him this. Does he want to do community service?
Servicio a la comunidad. ¿Estás disponible a hacer servicio a la comunidad?
Pues sí.
Yes, he's willing.
All right, tell him to come back on the 26th of January.
All right. Do we have a time or is that just
8:30.
8:30? Okay, thank you.
We'll have an interpreter there on that morning.
Thank you so much. Have a good
All
one.
right. You as well.
Did I put his phone?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I'll make a folder from this.
All right, late. Is, where's Mr. Goss?
Oh, can you close the breakout room for Let, Your Honor? He's going to set him at for a bench trial.
All right.
I have my brother here.
All right. All right, let's, Mr. Let. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Let, James Lewis Let. I'll let you talk to the lawyer, sir, and the lawyer indicated that you want to set this for a bench trial.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna have you back March 21st, 2022. What are we gonna do about these other tickets that you bought?
He plans to have money toward those other tickets, Your Honor.
I can put like, if I get a few months, I can put $200 because I'm on a fixed income right now, and I can put like $200 on the 3rd of February, and then $200 the rest of the March and April, if it's according to much it is.
What I'm gonna do for your client is I'm gonna waive the late fees and stuff. See if we can get them back to the original ticket.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I got a trial date set, March 31st, March the 21st. At 2022 at 9 a.m. 2021, I'm sorry, March 22nd, 2022 at 9 a.m. Call back then, sir, we'll take care of this other stuff.
Oh, okay.
Have a good day.
You too.
You got it. I'm still waiting on an offer for you, Ms. Leaphart. All right, let's call the case.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Trey Shamir Lapsley, case number SP 121-32651. Can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Sorry, was on mute. For the record, you're on the Coleman Potts on behalf of Mr. Lapsley, who appears via Zoom. Mr. Lapsley, please state your name for the record, sir.
Trey Lapsley.
And turn your camera back on.
Are you related to Antonio Ramon Lapsley?
No.
All right. This isn't Trey Lapsley.
All right.
Where's Trey Lapsley? Come on, get in the picture.
Are you gonna see me?
All right. Now, what about this insurance on this 2018 Dodge?
We had insurance.
Yes. We had insurance on the car.
Where is it?
I can send it to you. I was driving my car. That's why I don't know why they put it under his name.
The Lapsley brothers, I don't know about them. I don't know.
Can you can you read off the license plate number that which car was driving?
DXJ 6132. 38, I'm sorry, 6138, a 2018 Dodge, black and white.
No.
Car was in my name.
Yeah, that car that's my brother's car.
I don't care whose car it is. Who is Trey Lapsley?
Me.
The one sitting in the back
Yes.
on the side.
Yes.
So what do you want to do? You want to set a trial date? I need some insurance.
Your Honor, Your Honor, what's the date on the ticket, please?
Date on the ticket is 6/16/2021.
Were you operating that car on that day?
No.
Who?
Trey Lapsley, were you operating that car?
Get out of here, Lake. Move. He trying to be all up in his brother's business. Because they got something going on there. They play. I had two clients like this. Bowman wasn't playing out there in Oakland County either. They play that. This is my brother. That's my other brother. All right. Where is some insurance on the 2018 Dodge?
I have insurance.
All right. Where is it?
I can send it to you.
Yeah, or if you can hold it up. He's got the peach crown back there.
Yeah, I'm about to show you right now.
Get those clients' names I had. Remind me of this one right there.
Everything together.
Ohio, Toledo, 2018 Dodge RT Scat Pack. Man, he's rolling good, isn't he? How does he have an Ohio insurance with a Michigan license?
I stayed in Ohio and I work in Ohio.
So I don't know what's going on with these guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss.
Okay, thank you.
Funny little feeling about the Lapsley brothers. All right, I'm gonna dismiss provided valid documentation. Where is Lake Lapsley? He can get his seat back. Who's the older brother?
I am.
That's why you didn't let him take the seat. That's why you had him sitting in the back, huh?
No, the ticket I got the ticket, but they paid his name. I don't know why. The car in my name.
The ticket's in his. Well, what about your tickets? You don't pay your tickets.
I need a court date for my tickets. I just got recent ticket. There was a ticket when I was at CVS. I got 5 of them.
Why didn't you set a court date for them?
They automatically giving me a court date. And this one, they didn't give me a court date. I don't know why.
This is the city of Detroit versus Lake Deshaun Lapsley. Case number SP 1222696, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1222991. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, you're on the Coleman Potts P7607 on behalf of Mr. Lapsley.
Let me say this, sir. They're not going to automatically give you court dates. You have to set court dates. And on the ticket, it should tell you that.
Yeah, because any other ticket I got, they would always set the court date. This one they didn't, so I didn't know.
Well, probably they were misdemeanors, and these are all civil infractions. So, is this same Dodge?
Yes. Same one.
So, Mr. Goss, Mr. Potts, I'm gonna set aside the defaults. He's got obstructed vision, I don't know what that is, an equipment violation, improper or unauthorized, insufficient or defective lights, and he's got a failure to use seatbelt. You want me to wait on an offer for him too?
Mr. Lapsley, you want to take care of these matters today?
Yes. I was parked at CVS and they pulled up on me.
Well, Mr. Lapsley, are you saying you weren't operating the vehicle at the time?
Yes.
You were approached?
Yes.
Yeah, trial.
Have you been given that the 22nd?
No, I've been given.
21st. Okay. No, that is 21st.
So he's saying it wasn't him, huh?
Well, he's saying he wasn't.
Me.
He's saying that he was. Mr. Lapsley.
Oh,
He was operating the vehicle at the time, so he might want to send this matter for trial.
We'll set it for formal hearing.
Okay, they all civil infractions?
Yeah, all of them civil infractions. I'm set up for formal hearing for March 21st, 2022 at 9 a.m. Show up March 21st, 2022 at 9 a.m. We'll deal with them then, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, bring that, I don't think you got insurance or anything. If you got some equipment violation or something that you think that you have to help your attorney on that day to assist him in saying that I got this fixed, or I don't know what your defense will be, but bring whatever you have, all right? All right.
Okay.
There's nothing further. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back March the 21st.
At 9 a.m.?
At 9 a.m.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a good one.
You too.
All right, I don't know what's going on with Mr. Goss.
Your Honor, can I get one of those ticket numbers for Mr. Lapsley, Lake Lapsley?
Lake Lapsley would be SP 1222696, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you.
All right. What about this? Pleading to the 2 counts of improper plates, $240 a piece, and dismissing everything else. That'd be $480 for Ms. Leapart. We're going back on the record with Mrs. Wanda Latrice Leapart.
Yes.
All right, that's we want to take Hill?
I got everything.
You have everything. You have a driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You have insurance?
Yes, sir.
You have
But
registration?
yes, sir. And I got new plates.
All right. What about blocking traffic for the $175?
Pardon me?
Mr. How about they say you ran the red light, $175. I'll amend it to blocking traffic.
No, I don't remember that. I didn't have a red light. I got pulled over 3 times for my car. Registered.
Talk to her, Mr. Goss. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Join that room.
Question, Judge. She has other matters that aren't on the docket because I only see 4 matters.
Yes, she has other matters that are on the docket. She has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matters.
Okay.
Join that room, Ms. Leaphart.
Yes, sir.
You done?
Yeah, she wants to take advantage of the plea, Your Honor.
I'm gonna try to pull her out.
Attorney General's letter, or you get the Attorney General. Call my office, my card. Call my office, send you immediately, okay? You don't have to wait that long. So I'm sorry to wait, but I gotta make sure all things, otherwise they're simply going to, they are simply going to tell me I can't do it.
All right, back on the record with Mrs. Wanda Leaphart. I've given you an opportunity to speak with the House Counsel in the breakout room, Ms. Leaphart. Indicates to me that you want to avail yourself of the offer. Is that the case?
Yes, sir.
As it relates to the civil infraction, amended count of blocking traffic, did your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, sir.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
How about March 23rd at 10?
I'm going to find her responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic and fine her $175. And what about stipulation of probable cause for the dismissal of the other?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
With that, I'm going to dismiss the other matters. $175, Ms. Leaphart. When can you pay?
Well, I have a set income and I wanted to pay $30 on the 29th because that's when I get my disability check. for the third of the month.
Pay it by May the 20th, ma'am. That's 120 days.
Yes, sir.
May the 20th. We're gonna set another review hearing for May 20th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. If you haven't paid by then, you don't have to show back up, Ms. Leapart. If you don't have to pay, I need to see you, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too, sir.
All right.